Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey,
Hold on,
I'm.
Wait, I got it.
Okay.
Hi. No, that's too loud. Too loud.
Please go.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
These are my dorky clients. I'm Jen Burns, and we are creating a video diary of their remodel off of Highland Road. If anybody knows anything about Baton Rouge, Highland Road is prestigious. It's a lot of estate homes, and these guys are some of my best friends, and I can't wait to see what they do with this house. So this is Shelly.
Hi.
And this is Kyle.
Hello.
We are taking this old 1958 Haystown home and completely restoring it. And honestly, we're thrilled. We have our child labor workers already have begun in the back. And over the next 4 months, you're going to see it transform.
Yep, absolutely. And this is one of the greatest things about this house is the history behind it. And Shelly and I both being from Louisiana, just being able to preserve that and bring something back to life that has such a huge staple of our community, which is Cajun architecture, is just really amazing and fun.
Yeah.
So this is different than Flip That House. They're not flipping this house to resell it. This is going to be their forever home. So you're going to get a sneak peek into like real life couples renovating, like not just paint and flooring, but like additions and removing roofs. This house is already like 6,000 square feet, so they're gonna do some pretty amazing things, and I'm excited to see what they do. So let's go check out the house.
We're actually saving them or moving them. Okay, so this nice glass enclosed front porch will be torn apart, and it will be wood on the ceiling and wood on the floor. All the landscaping will be torn down. We will have a walkway with brick steps. Coming to our new front door will be placed about right here. This set of French doors will move and will be centered here. So we will have 3 sets of French doors, a large front door with brick steps, and a set of French doors over there, and it will be our new study. It will be on the left side. So through these doors, this will be a new front door. I'm going to shop for those big front door.
Okay.
This will be our new foyer. So this arch, as you walk through here, will be a foyer.
Okay.
That wall is coming down.
This wall between the
kitchen and the study.
Okay.
The wall is coming down, and a new wall will be built right here. A new wall will be built right here that will mimic that wall. And so this will be our new adult sitting area library.
Okay.
This will all be opened up. We're building a brand new brick arch here. So there'll be a beam, brick arch, that's all open.
Love that.
That wall's coming out, and the French doors are gonna be put in, so we have natural light with 3 sets of French doors, and a big 12-foot custom dining room table will be
awesome.
put here where we can, or 12-seater, so we can have our entire family
I can't wait.
hanging out in here.
I can't wait to watch this after it's done.
This wall we may save. Because it kind of provides a little texture, and we may save these doors.
Oh, cool.
So we'll save this as the backdrop to the dining room.
Like that.
Yep.
Love that, actually.
The bar will be gone.
The bar will be gone.
Yeah, don't know if we're gonna reuse it or give it away.
Okay, what are we doing in the kitchen? What are we doing
So
in the
in the kitchen, we're testing out appliances now if we can save them or replace them. We're gonna keep the cypress. We're gonna repaint. We have new quartz white countertops throughout the whole kitchen without a hang off. Probably will put some seating in here. Don't know yet what. Like some comfortable couch chairs or something like that. We're gonna fix this or replace it.
But it's gonna stay the same? Like
It's gonna stay, yeah.
Like, look the same?
Yeah, we like it. We like the layout.
Are you painting the brick or are you leaving the brick?
I'm gonna leave the brick.
I like that.
We're gonna leave it. But it'll be white counters and white walls, so it will be a little bit different in here.
Sure.
We're gonna put these back up. These are actually cypress. I probably will paint them. I haven't met with the painter yet, but they are 100% solid cypress. So we have looked into fridges. We're just gonna fill this out with a fridge, put a retro oven, like a cool retro oven, white counters, keep the sink. We may take this door off and leave this as an exposed pantry or put an accordion style door to save room, so it's not hitting the fridge.
Okay.
These are pure cypress. I gotta leave them. These will be hung
right here.
Yep. And appliances will be.
Hi, my name is Kyle. I enjoy long walks on the beach. I'm a Sagittarius, and I like Chinese food. But recently, I've been advised against eating Chinese food because of the virus. But I believe that you only live once, and if I'm gonna die with sweet and sour chicken in my mouth.
I heard that you sharpen pencils for a living. Is that correct?
I do. I sharpen colored pencils 3 days a week. I also capture very rare butterflies as they come. If I see them on the side of the road, I'll pull over and capture them. I sell them to a pet store, and my total income right now is $64 a year.
Oh, awesome.
And our budget.
But our budget is 1.3 million.
Perfect.
Not much. In here's all cosmetic. So this is the laundry room. It will just have cosmetic updates.
Okay.
So if we can get the plumbing fixed up, we'll have 2 washer dryer.
Oh, perfect.
If we don't, I'm going to make this a gigantic folding table for folding clothes.
Awesome.
This is the kids' living room. Nothing really in here. We're going to leave the exposed brick. Where we paint, we will probably cut this in half and figure out repaint and use the bottom. We'll cosmetically update the bathroom. In here.
Are y'all gonna fight at all during this?
No.
Because Kyle won't even know what color anything is and he doesn't care.
It's true.
He will not come with me to the light store when I get away. So these doors will come off. We have decided to keep this as we are going to build out custom lockers for the 5 crazy children that we have.
Awesome.
Currently 5. As homeschool continues, that number may drop.
It is dropping. It is slowly dropping. Teachers are being fired. It's
Drinking on the job.
There's a 20% decrease happening if the next kid absolutely aggravates me as much as they did yesterday.
Yeah, they're not gonna like it. This is going to be pine. All the way through. 2 bedrooms up there, pine. And nothing is happening up there besides floors and paint.
Okay.
This is the big change.
Okay.
So you are about to step into a mini hallway that is going to turn into a girl's huge 25 by 22 foot bedroom.
This whole thing?
More than half of it.
Oh, wow. So about right there?
There.
So this door is coming out.
Doors come out.
There'll be a wall that's built.
A big
That garage
huge,
door.
huge walls.
This entire thing is going to be taken off and it's going to be put here to the other side.
Okay.
And then Kyle can build out that direction from his garage.
Okay. So y'all are just gonna have the garage on the other side and back.
Yep.
And
So
how do you feel about this?
It's going to be a big bedroom. So this closet, so all walls are all coming out. This will be a claw tub with a beautiful new window.
Oh,
With a claw tub
Okay.
And then 2 double beds, and she has requested when we go on the ceiling, she would like a hammock chair is her one request. So she will have a hammock chair hanging in here for her.
That's awesome.
This will be her bedroom.
Just you?
And Sam. And Sam.
You and Sam.
Yes. And that way we can actually landscape by the tree. You can't drive in here anyway.
Sure.
So it doesn't really make sense that this is the garage anyway. And that saves us on building.
Y'all are so smart.
Addition.
Y'all are so smart. Do y'all have like good jobs?
Apple
picker.
Apples.
Slicers.
That's that. And that's really all that's happening over here besides fixing the garage.
Any characters on the beach? Any characters of people?
This whole bathroom is going to be gutted. Completely gutted. And I don't have the materials yet of which colors we're putting back in. It will all be rearranged. The closet on this side will be taken out. This whole wall will be taken out, and this whole closet will be used as part of the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna increase the space. And then there will be a door connecting from this room into the restroom.
Okay.
So Logan has those plans. And that's what, and then paint, cosmetic.
Yeah.
You know, floor.
Yep, new floor.
New lights. In here, the bedroom, just cosmetic in here. Lights.
You gonna keep those
light fixture.
curtains?
I might donate them to you. Bob would like them.
Thank
You're so
you.
welcome. Maybe we can put them in Bailey's room. If Logan gives me the go-ahead, this could maybe, it's not a for sure, turn into French doors with steps down into the pool. Maybe. If we decide to do it. This we are actually still working on, so I don't have a set plan for you, but as we make the video better, we will. We are thinking about gutting everything in here instead of, we were trying to rework it, but we may gut it and start over. So just get good video, because I don't have the floor, Mark hasn't finished the floor plans on this bathroom. I don't like how choppy it is.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, it's a lot of space.
it's a ton of space to work with. It's honestly like 1,000 square foot bathroom. We just have to figure out the space.
History was my second favorite subject in school, obviously behind lunch.
We're not on camera. Are you practicing? What are you doing? Jan, are you coming over here with us? Okay, come with us. Did it already start? Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh, but we can,
Watch that. Watch your foot.
yeah, we
Hi.
I mean, I was pretty much LeBron James in that situation.
Let me tell you something. This coronavirus roommate situation, Bob may be getting a new roommate.
Oh, okay.
I told him this morning with the
Okay.
singing. He got up singing, and I was like,
All right, I see we have Michael Jordan and Scottie Pippen. I thought it was gonna be more.
I thought it was gonna be like
Malone
Kobe
and Stockton.
Shaq. I thought it was Kobe Shaq.
Kobe Shaq, Malone, Stockton, but it looks like there needs to be a superstar hero, and I'm gonna take the role. Got it. Go.